Tiny Tots Learning Hub.
Hello, little learners. Let's learn some fun words from the OT word family. These are words that end with O and T, but start with different sounds. Let's get started. The letter O and the letter T, when comes together, sounds like ought. Let's see which is the first ought word. C-O-T, cot. C-O-T is cot. The baby sleeps in the cot. Can you see the cot? Repeat after me. C-O-T, cot. The letter O and the letter T, when comes together, sounds like ought. Let's see which is the next ought word. D-O-T, dot. D-O-T is dot. The ladybug has a red shell with a black dot. Can you see the dot? Repeat after me. D-O-T, dot. The letter O and the letter T, when comes together, sounds like ought. Let's see which is the next ought word. G-O-T, got. G-O-T is got. She got an amazing idea for party. Repeat after me. G-O-T, got. The letter O and the letter T, when comes together, sounds like ought. Let's see which is the next ought word. H-O-T, hot. H-O-T is hot. Be careful, the soup is hot. Can you see the hot soup? Repeat after me. H-O-T, hot. The letter O and the letter T, when comes together, sounds like ought. Let's see which is the next ought word. L-O-T, lot. L-O-T is lot. There is a big parking lot at the mall. Can you see the parking lot? Repeat after me. L-O-T, lot. The letter O and the letter T, when comes together, sounds like ought. Let's see which is the next ought word. N-O-T, not. N-O-T is not. She is not feeling well. Repeat after me. N-O-T, not. Achoo! The letter O and the letter T, when comes together, sounds like ought. Let's see which is the next ought word. P-O-T, pot. P-O-T is pot. The pot is on the stove. Can you see the pot? Repeat after me. P-O-T, pot. The letter O and the letter T, when comes together, sounds like ought. Let's see which is the next ought word. R-O-T, rot. R-O-T is rot. Do not eat the fruit if it starts to rot. Can you see the rotten strawberries? Repeat after me. R-O-T, rot. The letter O and the letter T, when comes together, sounds like ought. Let's see which is the next ought word. T-O-T, tot. T-O-T is tot. The tot is playing in the sandbox. Can you see the tot playing in the sandbox? Repeat after me. T-O-T, tot. The letter O and the letter T, when comes together, sounds like ought. Let's see which is the next ought word. B-L-O-T, blot. B-L-O-T is blot. Use a napkin to clean the blot of coffee. Can you see the blot of coffee? Repeat after me. B-L-O-T, blot. The letter O and the letter T, when comes together, sounds like ought. Let's see which is the next ought word. S-L-O-T, slot. S-L-O-T is slot. Slide the coin into the slot. Can you see the slot? Repeat after me. S-L-O-T, slot. The letter O and the letter T, when comes together, sounds like ought. Let's see which is the next ot word. S-P-O-T, spot, S-P-O-T is spot. Can you clean the spot on the table? Repeat after me, S-P-O-T, spot. The letter O and the letter T, when comes together, sounds like ot. Let's see which is the next ot word. T-R-O-T, trot. T-R-O-T is trot. The horse likes to trot around the field. Repeat after me, T-R-O-T, trot. C-O-T, cot. D-O-T, dot. G-O-T, got. H-O-T, hot. L-O-T, lot. N-O-T, not. P-O-T, pot. R-O-T, rot. T-O-T, tot. B-L-O-T, blot. S-L-O-T, slot. S-P-O-T, spot. T-R-O-T, trot. Let's say ot words in sentences. Listen carefully and try to say them with me. Cot. The cot is pink and soft. Repeat after me. The cot is pink and soft. Dot. The dress has white dots. Repeat after me. The dress has white dots. Got. I got a new toy. Repeat after me. I got a new toy. Hot. The tea is very hot. Repeat after me. The tea is very hot. Lot. I have a lot of books. Repeat after me. I have a lot of books. Not. This is not my hat. Repeat after me. This is not my hat. Pot. I have a flower pot. Repeat after me. I have a flower pot. Rot. The tomato began to rot. Repeat after me. The tomato began to rot. Tot. The tot is sleeping. Repeat after me. The tot is sleeping. Blot. This is an ink blot. Repeat after me. This is an ink blot. Slot. I put a coin in the slot. Repeat after me. I put a coin in the slot. Spot. The dog has black spots. Repeat after me. The dog has black spots. Trot. The horse likes to trot. Repeat after me. The horse likes to trot.